everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings, and in this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so here is the blazer that I got for $9.99 from the Goodwill, and I'm about to go ahead and try it on, take some before shots, and then set up to make this bad boy into that little dress thing. Let's do this. This out nicely. It's so hot in here. So we got the scissors, hello scissors, and I'm just gonna go for it. Let me show you guys the inspo picture before I cut. Let me show myself the inspo picture before I cut. Oh! This is what I'm attempting. Can you see it? I hope so. Okay, let's just go for it. Wait, no. Why is this so confusing to my brain? Okay, we did it. Flip it over. Where I cut it here. Yes, there we go. Right there. Okay, it's done. The arm is off. Whatever I did, I did. There's no turning back now. There is no turning back now. Oh. So this is what we've got so far. Please excuse those white spots. I don't know where they came from. I'm going to sew this down so that it's neat, and then bring these sides in. We should be on our merry little way. So stand by. Okay. Not bad. Okay, I just tried it on, and I have to move a button over, just the top button, to cinch the waist a little bit more. All right, so I moved the button over. Now the waist is gonna be more cinched, already looking a million times better. All I have to do is sew this part together so that that doesn't fly open in the boobage area, and then we will be done. All right, y'all, this is the final look. I think it is so cute. So I'm tall, I got long legs, and I know the original inspo picture was the dress, but this was just not gonna be long enough for your girl to be a dress. So I had to pair it with some shorts just to make sure there wasn't too much going on out there, wasn't too much hanging out. I gotta go try this on right now. Let's go. And that's it, guys, for $9.99. Not bad at all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think, and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a DIY video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. It's so hot in here. Oh, bye, baby.